Good day everyone. We are Group 3 and today we will be presenting our research on consistency in multi-channel branding and customer retention. So, this is a critical topic in today's business environment where customer interactions happen across multitude of platforms. So, to begin, does anyone have any ideas or knowledge about multi-channel branding and customer retention? We are the Group 3, Ramuel Maniago as our group leader, me, Rose Camille Crisostomo, and Carl Nunez as group members. Here's a quick look at what we'll be covering today. We'll start with Chapter 1, Introduction, move on to Chapter 2, Discussion of Key Concepts, then Chapter 3, Data Gathering, followed by Chapter 4, Discussion, and we'll conclude with references and appendices. So, in which chapter of our presentation you will find the definition of key terms like multi-channel branding and customer retention.
Multi-branding is essential because organization must establish consistent brand image across the entire market by communicating and delivering products through various advertisements. Brand consist which is the deliver the same message, tone, and visual identity across all platforms is instrumental in establishing customer trust, recognition, and loyalty. Inconsistent branding, on the other hand, can confuse the customer and dilute the brand's credibility. Can anyone provide the example of the brand their experience that effectively use multi-channel branding? Research from Mark, formerly known as Lucid Press, shows that brands that create a consistent and unobstructed brand experience are 3.5 times more likely to enjoy a top-notch, shameless brand experience. This highlights the significant impact of the consistent on branding trust. Why do you think a shameless brand experience is crucial in building trust? Furthermore, a Statista 2022 study indicates that 65% of consumers are more likely to be loyal to the brand that provides consistent experience across the multiple channels. This underscore the strong link between brand consistency and customer loyalty. In what way can a brand demonstrate consistency to foster customer loyalty?
Our primary objective were to examine the relationship between branding consistency and customer retention in multi-channel environments. So, to identify the common issues businesses face in maintaining brand consistency across various platforms, to analyze how consistent brand messaging influences customer trust and loyalty, and to provide insights and recommendations for businesses to improve customer retention through consistent multi-channel branding. So, by the end of this project, we aim to help readers understand the importance of brand consistency and its effective application in enhancing customer retention in today's competitive market. So my question is, can you name two of the research objectives outlined in our presentation?
This project emphasizes the significance of a brand consistency in establishing lasting customer relationships, especially given today's expectations for smooth and uniform brand experiences. It is particularly relevant for marketing professionals, business owners, and brand managers who want to increase brand loyalty in a variegated environment. Our research adds to the existing literature by underscoring the strategic importance of consistent brand messaging across channels and provides actionable tips for companies to better engage and retain their customers. As MarkQ 2021 notes, consistent branding not only increases awareness but also significantly contributes to business growth. Moreover, a Salesforce 2022 survey revealed that 76% of customers expect consistent interactions across departments and channels, highlighting the necessity for alignment in brand communication. Why do you think consistent brand messaging across different channels is so crucial in building customers' trust? And can you think of a brand that does this well? So, this slide visually represents the impact of consistent and inconsistent customer experiences across multiple channels, illustrating the importance of a unified brand presence.
The key terms we'll be using are multi-channel branding, a strategic approach where a company maintains a consistent brand identity across various platforms, such as physical stores, websites, mobile apps, social media, and email, to create unified customer experience. Second, customer retention, the ability of a business to keep its existing customer over a period by satisfying their needs and maintaining long-term relationships. And last, brand consistency, the uniformity of messaging, visual identity, and customer experience delivered across all touch points, which helps to build customer trust and brand loyalty. So the question is, how do we define brand consistency in our presentation?
The evolution for single and multi-channel and ultimately the omni-channel strategy reflect the growing demand for consistent customer experience. Lemon and Verhoeven 2016 proposed a customer journey framework that emphasized the importance for consistency in purchasing, and post-purchasing stage across all platforms. Consistency through this stage positively influences trust and engagement, reinforcing the customer retention effort. Additionally, the service brand relationship quality model suggests that consistent brand communication across the digital and physical touchpoints strengthen the emotional brand band or perceived value. A customer relationship within a brand is enhanced with each interaction reinforcement the same identity tone and promises. The consistency builds expectations and reliability, which the key to fostering loyalty.
Chen et al. 2023 emphasized that inconsistency across branding channels often confuses customers, dilutes brand equity, and impairs retention efforts. Their study confirms that businesses that align messaging and design across platforms see better customer satisfaction and brand attachment. They also note the role of digital tools in synchronizing brand experiences and enabling dynamic yet unified interactions. Supporting this, Lemon and Verhoef 2016 argue that customer journeys are now multi-touch and non-linear, making consistency more challenging but increasingly vital. They stress that marketers should not only ensure presence on multiple channels, but also strive to integrate them, transforming the experience into a seamless, omni-channel flow. This integration directly affects customer retention as it reduces friction, aligns expectations, and nurtures emotional engagement. Melero et al. 2016 provide empirical evidence that consistent communication across channels, such as using similar tone, content, and visuals, enhances customer trust and brand perception. Their findings highlight that disjointed messages lead to confusion and decrease the likelihood of repeat purchases. Lastly, the literature review by Saini et al. 2023 identifies multiple factors affecting customer retention, including satisfaction, trust, perceived value, and commitment. Among these, consistency in brand experience emerges as a common thread across high retention firms. So, when customers feel that they can predict and rely on the brand's quality and communication across platforms, they are more likely to remain loyal. So, given the challenges of maintaining consistency in a multi-touch, omni-channel environment, what strategies or tools do you think businesses can use to avoid confusing their customers and strengthen brand loyalty?
Maintaining consistency in multi-channel branding is not without its challenges. These include fragmentation across digital and traditional platforms, internal communication silos, and differences in customer expectation per channel, all of which can hinder unified branding. So my question is, what are two challenges that businesses face when trying to maintain consistency in multi-channel branding? However, as Chin et al. Point out, businesses can leverage advanced analytics and CRM systems to better personalize content while keeping the core brand message intact. There are significant opportunities in harnessing technology like AI-driven customer insights, automated personalization engines, and cross-channel monitoring tools. This system not only help align branding but also enhance customer experiences, ultimately driven retention. So my question is, name one technology that businesses can use to improve brand consistency and customer retention.
To collect relevant data for our project, we primarily use the server method administered through Google Form. This method was chosen for efficiency and reach out brand audience and to collecting the structured responses quickly and conveniently. As Nagoyan 2023 also utilized the Google form in their research. We found it to be effective video for our purposes. Our survey was designed to gather insight for customers gaining their experience and perception, brand consistency across various platforms, as well as their loyalty and likelihood for continue engagement with brands. We engaged 20 participants aged 18 to 30 through platforms like social media. The survey measured consistency, awareness, trust, and loyalty. In addition to the survey, we also conducted a second data collection through the literature review and notes, journal, published articles. This source provide foundational knowledge or supported our understanding of the key concepts, frameworks, and previous findings related to branding consistency and customer retention. According to Kumar of 2024, second data surveys as essential foundation for exploratory studies and comparative analysis enhance the quality of essential research projects. The use of secondary data helps strengthen the theological background for our study and offer cooperative insights that guided the interpretation of our primary data.
Our findings reveal several key insights into customer perception of brand consistency. First, there's a high awareness of branding consistency among our respondents, with 70% noting that they observe whether a brand's message, design, or tone is uniform across various platforms. This indicates that a majority of consumers are paying attention to brand presentation and consistency. So, moreover, consistent branding has a strong positive impact on customer attitudes. 80% of participants believe that consistent branding increases their trust in a company or brand. Even more striking, 100% of respondents affirm that they are more likely to return to a brand that offers a consistent experience across different platforms. This clearly demonstrates that uniform branding is a powerful driver of both customer trust and loyalty. So, finally, we when we ask about the factors that influence brand loyalty, quality of products or service emerge as the most significant factor, cited by 90% of the participants. Customer service was also highly important, with 70% of respondents identifying it as a key influence. So, while brand consistency was also considered important, it was ranked third or 50%, indicating that while crucial, it's part of the broader set of factors that drive customers' loyalty. These findings emphasize that while consistency is valued, the actual quality of what a brand offers and the service it provides are paramount. Based on our results, brand consistency strongly influences trust and loyalty, but product quality and customer service still rank higher. Why do you think consistency alone isn't enough to secure brand loyalty? This slide provides a concise summary of the key findings from our survey, offering a quick overview of the data we've collected.
In conclusion, our study reinforces that consistency is indeed critical for building both trust and loyalty among customers. However, it is essential to emphasize that consistency alone is not sufficient. It must be paired with delivery of high quality products and services. Our research indicates that while consistent branding encourages customers to engage with brand repeatedly, the foundation of customer loyalty rests on the quality of the brands offering the service they receive. So, according to our final insights, what are the two key factors that, when combined with brand consistency, drive customer loyalty?
To help business implement consistent branding effectively, we propose two following actionable strategies. First, we recommend investing in customer relationship management or CRM tools. These tools are invaluable for synchronizing, managing across various department and customer touchpoint, ensure the shameless and consistent customer experience. Second, the regular brand auditing are essential. This auditing involves systematical reviewing of customer-facing material to ensure they're adhered to established brand guidelines, helping to identify and certify any inconsistency. Third, provide regular training for staff involved in branding, marketing, and customer service is crucial. Employees need to be through informed by brand stance to effectively apply them in their respective roles. And finally, we implement customer feedback mechanism is vital. By actively listening to customer feedback on their brand experience across different platforms, business can make informed adjustments to maintain consistency and relevance.